Ever try to run a business like it's still the 90s? Picture this. You're behind the counter and there's a line out the door, and someone pulls out their phone to take a payment, but your register still says cash only. Yikes.
We love nostalgia, but not when it costs you customers. These days, if you're not accepting credit cards, or at least mobile payments, you're losing sales left and right. Plain and simple.
Whether you're just getting started or you've been in business for years, today we're bringing down exactly how to start taking credit card payments. No jargon, no fine print traps, just real useful info.
So let's get into it. Post-pandemic, card and mobile payments became the default. Customers expect it, and honestly, they get frustrated if they can't use it.
People don't carry cash anymore. And if they do, it's usually a crumpled 5 and some loose change from 2014. Whether you're in retail, food service, or even trades, card acceptance is no longer optional.
This isn't about keeping up. It's about staying in business. The good news? It's not hard once you know what you need.
First, let's talk about your setup. How you take payments depends on where and how you run your business.
If you've got a storefront, a restaurant, a salon, a boutique, anything with a counter, your best friend is a point of sale system. It's your register, your staff manager, your inventory system, all in one.
Devices like the Clover Mini or Clover Duo handle credit cards, mobile wallets, receipts, reports, you name it. They're fast, secure, and built for busy businesses.
If you're mobile, doing markets, events, food trucks, get yourself a Clover Flex. It's handheld, connects over Wi-Fi or LTE, and handles swipe, dips, and taps on the go.
VMS Gateway connects to your e-commerce site, integrates with QuickBooks, supports recurring billing, and handles digital receipts. It's perfect if you want a no-hassle way to take payments through your website.
Now let's break down what happens when a customer taps or swipes their card. It's quick, but there's a lot happening under the hood.
When someone pays, your POS sends a card info to your processor, who sends it to the credit card network like Visa or MasterCard, and that gets routed to the customer's bank, which checks if the card is valid and has funds available.
If everything looks good, the bank puts a temporary hold on the funds and sends an approval back to your POS. All this takes about 2 seconds.
At the end of the day, your POS bashes those approved transactions and sends them off to your processor. The processor sends them to your networks, which pass them along to the issuing banks. Then the money makes its way to your accounts, minus fees.
Let's talk about those fees. On average, you're looking at 1.8 to 2.5% per transaction. Not scary, but important to understand.
Most of that fee goes to the customer's bank. Then there's a small cut for the card networks, Visa, MasterCard, etc. And finally, your processor takes a small piece.
It's all baked into the transaction, and it doesn't matter if the sale is $5 or $500. The percentage stays the same. So don't believe that myth about refusing small purchases.
If your business is doing over $10,000 a month, it might be worth looking into a dedicated merchant account. You'll get lower rates, but it can come with monthly fees. And if you're doing less, stick with a payment service provider like VMS. No monthly minimums, no long-term contracts.
Customers expect to use Google Pay, Apple Pay, and even their smartwatches. That means your device needs to handle contactless payments.
Clover devices such as the Clover Flex, the Mini, the Duo, all accept tap to pay. It's cleaner, faster, and honestly, kind of cool when your customer pays with a flick of their wrist.
And if you're on a shoestring budget, you can start by using your phone as a terminal. It's not forever, but it does work.
Don't buy cheap machines from sketchy sites. If it's not PCI compliant or EMV ready, it could cost you a lot more in fraud or downtime.
Don't get locked into long contracts with companies that ghost you the second something breaks. You need a partner that picks up the phone when your POS freezes in the middle of a lunch rush.
And definitely don't assume you have to figure this out alone. You don't.
Credit card payments are essential for running a modern business, but they don't have to be complicated, expensive, or stressful.
With the right setup, the right partner, and a little knowledge, you'll be accepting payments like a pro in no time.
If you're ready to get started, we've got a team standing by to help you find the right device, set it up, and walk you through every step.
Click the link below to schedule a chat or get your free quote. We'll help you pick a POS that fits your business and your budget.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tune in on how to turn your POS into a loyalty-building upselling machine.
I'm Chai.
And I'm Grace. And we'll see you
next time.
I won't see you next time. This is my last video.
And I'll see you next time with more exciting small business news.
Believe in small business.